Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Do like and subscribe if you are new to our channel for more tech videos. Let's get started. Realme has recently launched its new TWS earpods as Realme Buds Air Neo, which is a lower variant version of Buds Air. Today I have got you covered with this unboxing video of Buds Air Neo with all the details you need to know. So watch this video till the end for all the details. Let's unbox. It comes with this signature yellow box from Realme. Okay, now let's tear this apart to see what we have got inside. Here's some highlighted features mentioned at backside. There's nothing in the side but only the logo of Realme. Here the price is mentioned as 3,999. I don't know why, but you can buy it for 2,999 as its official selling price. Now let's open up the box. Okay, we have got these earpods on the top. Some paperwork mentioning some features and instructions. Now down below we got an instruction guide and the charging cable, and it is a micro USB cable with no LOSN from Realme as we have seen in the cables from Realme. Now this is the earpod in its charging case. Now let's connect with the phone. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds and it will be ready for pairing. And there it comes. Now coming on to the features, it has got 13mm larger driver, and yes, it's larger than the previous version. It has got super low latency mode for gaming. It also comes with Bluetooth version 5, that is why we have seen such fast pairing, and 17-hour battery backup with the case. Now it is very much compact and lightweight, and back there is Realme branding in small letters and the micro USB port. Now once you have paired, the next time you open up, it automatically connects, and it's fast because of that Bluetooth version 5, which is great to have. And yes, like the previous version, it doesn't include wearing feature, so that it is really annoying. It really feels light. Here is the charging pin. Here we can see the charging pin, noise cancellation mic, and the touch controls here. It feels good and smooth while closing and opening the lid. There's no problem in it. I have used it now for a while and it feels comfortable in ears. The sound quality is good and the highs, mids and lows really comes good. The bass I can say is okay, but overall a good product looking at this price Realme is offering at. If you are looking for budget TWS, then you can absolutely go for it without any doubt.